Ever wondered how ethical hackers gather information about their targets? They use tools like Recon-ng. This versatile reconnaissance tool is an ethical hacker's best friend, playing a pivotal role in the pre-attack phase. It assists in understanding the target's digital footprint by gathering information from various sources. Now, let's get a bit more acquainted with this tool. The moment you start Recon-ng, you're welcomed by a user-friendly interface. It's intuitive and easy to navigate, making the complex task of information gathering a breeze. The tool supports multiple modules, each designed for a different task. This means within Recon-ng, you have a complete toolkit that covers all your information gathering needs. From DNS enumeration to social media profiling, Recon-ng has got you covered. With Recon-ng, you have a comprehensive tool for information gathering at your fingertips. Recon-ng isn't just a single tool. It's a toolkit packed with specialized modules for different tasks. Each module within Recon-ng is designed to perform a specific function, and together they form the backbone of this powerful reconnaissance tool. Imagine a Swiss Army knife. Each blade, each tool within it serves a unique purpose. Recon-ng operates on the same principle, only in the realm of ethical hacking. With a wide range of modules, from DNS enumeration to social media profiling, Recon-ng enables you to gather a holistic view of your target. Think of these modules as your personal reconnaissance team. Each member of this team has a specific role to play. The DNS enumeration module, for example, is your scout. It explores the target's DNS records, gathering valuable information about subdomains and IP addresses. This information can be critical in understanding the target's digital landscape. On the other hand, the social media profiling module is like your undercover agent. It helps you to gather information about a target from social media platforms. You might uncover employee names, job titles, or even some personal interests. This information can be incredibly insightful, providing you with a more personal view of your target. Together, these modules and many others form a comprehensive toolkit for information gathering. Whether you're looking to uncover technical details about a target's digital infrastructure or seeking to understand their social media presence, Recon-ng has a module for the job. It's this versatility and depth that make Recon-ng such a valuable tool in the world of ethical hacking. With its wide array of modules, it provides a complete view of your target, setting the stage for effective and ethical hacking practices. Remember, as ethical hackers, our goal is to identify vulnerabilities and strengthen security. And to achieve that, we need to understand our targets as thoroughly as possible. Modules in Recon-ng are like your personal reconnaissance team, each with a specific role. Use them wisely, and they'll provide you with the insights you need to make the digital world a safer place. Let's delve deeper into one of these modules. For instance, the Google Search module. This module is an exceptional tool that serves as a testament to the power of Recon-ng. But what does it do exactly? Well, it acts as your personal detective, probing the vast expanses of the internet to gather useful information. Imagine you're faced with a task. You need to gather as much information as you can about a certain organization. You could manually search for this data, but that could take hours, even days. Here's where the Google Search module comes into play. With a few simple commands, it efficiently scours Google search results for the data you need. The module uses advanced search operators to dig deeper than a regular Google search. It's like having a supercharged search engine at your disposal. What's more, it doesn't just limit itself to surface-level data. It can uncover subdomains, employee names, email addresses, and much more. These are valuable pieces of information, which could otherwise be overlooked in a manual search. But that's not all. The Google Search module offers more than just data collection. It organizes this information in a coherent and structured manner. This way, you don't have to sift through a mountain of data. Instead, you have a neatly organized report ready for analysis. The Google Search module is just one example of how Recon-ng can be your eyes and ears on the internet. By harnessing the power of these modules, you can streamline your reconnaissance process. making your ethical hacking endeavors more efficient and effective. Remember, ethical hacking is not just about finding vulnerabilities. It's about understanding the digital landscape. And with tools like Recon-ng, you're well equipped to navigate this landscape with confidence. After Recon does its magic, where does all the information go? Well, that's where the results dashboard comes into play. This is the place where all the data collected by the various modules is neatly organized and displayed. It's like your personal command center, providing a quick, comprehensive overview of your target's digital footprint. This dashboard is more than just a data repository. It's an efficient tool that streamlines your reconnaissance process. Imagine having all the puzzle pieces you need neatly laid out in front of you, ready to be assembled. That's what the results dashboard does. From subdomains to social media profiles, every piece of information is sorted into its appropriate category. This structured approach saves time and increases efficiency, letting you focus on what's important, analyzing the data and planning your next move. So Recon-ng doesn't just gather information, it arranges it neatly for you to analyze and act upon. No mess, no fuss, just clear, concise data at your fingertips. Recon-ng is a powerful ally in the world of ethical hacking. Its versatility and user-friendly interface make it an invaluable tool in the reconnaissance phase of any ethical hacking endeavor. With a multitude of modules, each designed to gather specific information, Recon-ng provides a comprehensive view of your target. Whether you're delving into DNS enumeration or social media profiling, this tool has you covered. Moreover, all the information you collect is neatly organized in the results dashboard, enhancing efficiency and making your task more manageable. If you haven't already, I encourage you to try Recon-ng and experience its benefits firsthand. For those hungry for more knowledge and resources on ethical hacking and cybersecurity, head over to bp-coding.com. You'll find a plethora of in-depth tutorials, articles, and more. So go on, explore Recon-ng and enhance your ethical hacking skills. Visit bp-coding.com for more resources. Happy hacking!